Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming essentials, subscription, permissions, and a supported region. Next, create or choose a resource group and an Azure Data Lake Gen 2 storage account to link. Once done, register the Microsoft, Storage and Microsoft, Synapse providers if they are not already registered. Then add your client IP to the storage firewall so you can link it from the portal. After those prerequisites are complete, open the Azure portal, navigate to Synapse, and click Create Synapse Workspace to start provisioning. Now configure the Workspace internals. First, link your Adels Gen 2 account and select the container that Synapse will use for artifacts and data. Grant the Synapse Workspace Managed Identity Storage Blob Data Contributor role. After that, configure SQL capabilities. Pick serverless for exploratory queries or dedicated SQL pool for production workloads and sizing. Then create a Spark pool, defining node count and node sizes for your workloads. Make sure to enable the Managed Virtual Network if you require network isolation, and finish by reviewing all selections and click Create. Note the Synapse Studio URL once deployment completes. Assign RBAC roles so users can administer Synapse and access data. Use Synapse Administrator and grant SQL admin and storage roles as required. Test connectivity by opening Synapse Studio, creating a notebook to run a small Spark job, and executing a simple SQL query against serverless SQL. If you hit issues, check Managed Identity Storage Permissions first. Missing Storage Blob Data Contributor rights is the most common blocker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.